Hello here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I wanted to give you guys an update on Bitcno. So we are up 2,200 in the last 6 days. So not bad at all for our first week being in the system here. If we can get to that 2,500 mark, that'll be lovely. So we are at 42 subscribers now. I mean, not subscribers, 42 referrals now. Our balance is up to $20. I think the last time I made a video, it was at $3 or something like that. But as you can see, we're up 17 bucks. So every time someone, in this referral thing here goes and buys a package or whatever, I don't really know how it works if I'm being perfectly honest. All I know is that whatever they do over there in the referral section, I get money over here that I can use to get 100% free packages. So once this balance right here reaches, let's say 25 bucks, I can basically get a free package for 25 bucks, and then I'll just basically get two people to pay me for free. So free 50 bucks basically, because again the package was free. Now all of this 2,200 bucks came from these small packages right here. So the 25 for the $25 to the $100 level. That's it. I haven't received a single payment for 250 or 500 yet. So telling you guys, like, this is legit working pretty good. I decided I'm going to go ahead and make a course on this as well. And the reason I decided to make a course is because another one of my referrals got banned for life. So they did the same thing as the other one. They pretty much asked for a refund, and then they got banned. Oh, wait, what's the other one? I don't remember. But basically, this person right here, they asked for a refund, and of course they got their $25 back. But yeah, they legit got to tweaking out because they couldn't figure out how to upload the image or something like that. So they just asked for a refund, and then obviously the timer went out and stuff. So then they got banned for life because they requested a refund. I'm telling you guys, like, it's crazy as hell. Like, some people just can't look to the future. Like, literally, like, probably was like a 10-minute thing right here. All you had to do was just attempt to do it. Like, oh well, it is what it is, though. This stuff isn't meant for everybody by any means. So yeah, let me know some questions down below on what you guys want to see here for this course or whatnot. Obviously, I'm going to go through how to upload, your screenshots, how to use the platform, stuff like that. But obviously, I might forget something, so just let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see in the little course there. I might put in my advertising campaign because I've been killing it with that. Right now, the only thing that sucks is my cost per referral is pretty high. It's like 15 bucks. So I'm trying to get that down. If I can get that down to like $5 per referral, we're gonna definitely be in business, because then I can just load down on this. And it's so crazy because 99% of people who, well, I wouldn't say 99%, but like over 90% of people who see this take action, which is crazy because again, when it came to all the other methods that I made, right, with the PDF method, the website building method, the copy method, like all of that. By the way, if you do all three of those methods plus this, you'll make some pretty decent money. Worst case scenario, 500 bucks a day. But anyway, those methods right there, that's all about damn near guaranteed money. If you simply follow it, it's guaranteed. Like you can't do it wrong. All you have to do is literally just go to, let's say, 50 businesses today and pitch them all, and only one person says yes, you just made 500 bucks just like that. And you have to do that every day. Like that. Guaranteed, right? This right here is the only thing I can guarantee 90-something% of people take action on it. And then the things that I can guarantee, less than 1% of people see results with it because they refuse to do the work. That is crazy to me. I mean, I kid you, that is just so mind-blowing. But anyway, if you want to make the most amount of money, I would recommend doing this. Well, I shouldn't tell you to do this by any means, but if you are comfortable running a platform like this, jump in on this. Basically have this running on the back end, then do the other do the PDF method and the WordPress, but the website building method, and do the website building method for companies and copying their website and stuff. So if you do all four of these methods at the same time, you are, worst case scenario, going to be making 500 bucks per day. So, yeah. Oh, and with that PDF, not the PDF, but the advertising campaign, I used the same exact funnel that I gave you guys. So, again, I make this extremely easy for you. There is nothing that I'm holding back. I'm not, using some secret landing page or some secret funnel. And I give you guys everything that I have access to, and I'm just using it just like everybody else. If you make videos right now on Bitcno and put them on YouTube, you're gonna get guaranteed traffic from my videos and the other people who are making it, because people just want to see who's all in it. Right, obviously that I'm like the top right now when it comes to this, because I make a video damn near every day talking about it, because I want to be first. So when this like blows up like real big, like how Textbot did, and then Forsage and like all of that, I want my videos to be right there so I get all that referral money. But that's pretty much it. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and be sure to let me know some comments down below on what type of videos you want to see in the course.